Hello everyone and welcome back to ArcTech. Today we're going to unbox this purple Panda microphone. It's a lavalier microphone and it comes in a nice cloth pouch. As you can see, I bought this from Amazon. It was quite inexpensive, so I can't remember exactly how much it was. So it comes with a bit of paperwork and a free gift. Oh, I wonder what that might be. But let's have a look at the paperwork, the user guide, and what it comes with. So in the user guide, it tells you what it comes with and how to use it with different devices. So I'll mainly be using with my phone. So if you're going to use it with your phone, you might need an additional adapter, either Lightning or Type-C. So this is what it comes with. Right, let's put the pouch on one side and have a look at the microphone, which feels sturdy with the solid metal clip. Yeah, and a 3-ring connector. Yeah, perfect. And also it comes with a 3-meter extension. So if you're gonna use it and keep your recording device at a distance, so yeah, you can use that. And this is a connector, mini USB, I guess, for a camera. If you're gonna use it with camera, it comes with a spare clip and a connector for if you're gonna use it with a laptop or a computer. And it also comes with a furry cat thing. All right, I'm recording this using this new microphone. Let me know how it sounds. And if you like this video, it's been helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.